Please start.
Hello, my name is Ajay Purkar and I'm an artist by profession, and today we performed in Hyderabad at the Rabindra Bharati Auditorium, and our newest play called Friend Request was performed here, and I would like to thank Health League and Captain S.S. Lele for arranging this particular play here in Hyderabad, because my very close friend Mahesh Bhagwat, who was in touch with me, he was very curious about this play, and so he had then communicated this to Captain S.S. Lele, and finally through Health League we could perform here in Hyderabad. So basically I was very much aware that there is a majority Marathi crowd, Marathi audience in Hyderabad, and whenever you have some Marathi play which is coming up or which is becoming very popular amongst the audiences, the play is of course demanded in every particular state. So it might be Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, or maybe Karnataka, and everywhere we have our Marathi audiences, and who are really looking forward to any such Marathi cultural play or any musical show. And it was an absolute pleasure performing before the august audience of Hyderabad. And specifically I would like to thank Health League for arranging the show in a very fantastic manner.
So what is this play all about?
Yes, I'll just come.
Is there any message to the public?
The play Friend Request, from the name itself, it doesn't tell the story of the play, but that is the success of the play, I would say, because Friend Request is basically a play which talks about relationships. And the concept of Friend Request comes from social media, as we all know, and the concept of the friend request is used to establish the emotional human relations and the present what you can say, the social status of relationships through social media. So this is in a couple of sentences I could just tell you what is this play all about. And as I said, I get many reactions that from the name itself you can't tell anything about the play, what exactly it is about. So I would definitely ask the audience to come down to the theatres and experience what exactly Friend Request is all about, and see the fantastic performances by all the artists.
So how many characters are there in this?
4 characters are there, and 4 characters are very beautifully balanced in the play. So each character has its own importance. And that's the reason I would urge the audience to watch this play, and this is a live performance which no audience should miss. So I would definitely tell the audience, or urge the audience to you should make this play more public, so that, as I said, that this is the fact which is there in the society right now, and we can't avoid it. So the turmoil of relations which is there, which is happening because of different reasons. So this play, basically the play or film, is the depiction of the society. So this play is also a depiction of what is going on in the society, but interpersonal relationships. So this play talks about the interpersonal relationship.
So you are coming about a new place to Hyderabad?
This is a recent play. Basically, erecting a production itself is a very big task. So, this particular play is right now enough for the team. So, when we come up with a new play, we will definitely come again to Hyderabad.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks so much. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. You.
Oh, well, everything about the play has just been mentioned by Ajay, who is a very accomplished artist. And we were very happy to host them here in Hyderabad, and to a very appreciative audience. Yes.
हैदराबाद का माहौल, हैदराबाद के लोग कैसे लगे सर आपको?
हैदराबाद के लोग तो इनके पहले भी हैदराबाद में आ चुके थे
जी
तेलुगु फिल्म शूटिंग के लिए जी, लेकिन इस टाइम जो मराठी प्ले के लिए आते हैं वो माहौल बिल्कुल अलग होता है, और वो कल से इज बीन थॉरली एंजॉयिंग इट स्टे हियर इन हैदराबाद.
सर आप ये फील्ड में कितने ईयर से है सर? ये फील्ड में कितने ईयर से है आप?
Me, I am not from the theatre. I am an organizer.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. So we are.
आज के प्रोग्राम में कितने आर्टिस्ट हिस्सा लिए प्रोग्राम?
ये 4 तो मेन आर्टिस्ट थे
जी,
और 12 बैक स्टेज आर्टिस्ट. So we are very happy to host them in Hyderabad. And we definitely look forward to seeing them again.
Thank you.